It can't be good for anything.
If you send us an iPad 1 for something that's not data recovery.
Good shot. Lose control. Shit. No justice. No peace. No blood, please. Don't shoot. Hands up. Don't shoot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right now.
I gotta go.
All right now. All right now.
Did you check voicemail, Kevin?
Yes, I did.
Somebody double check.
Hannah.
Hannah's right there.
I didn't finish them, but there's only 2 left.
Wait, what is that?
There's 2 left.
That's
I
for the.
finished all the customers.
Oh!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! Throw that.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
It's going down now.
Oh god!
Get down! Get down! Get down!
Get down!
Now school shooter. That bubble wrap. Just enough. That's a lot more expensive than this. Yo. I want to break. See ya.
See ya!
Did you read over the pages?
A
The
couple of them,
15-year-old
yeah.
wrote?
You wrote a lot of stuff. Actually. Oh shit! I had my shield.
You just like straight up got the camera. Wait, hey!
Steve. No! No!
iPad repair.
No!
Take it. Touch it.
No!
Touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
Get away!
Let it touch.
Get away!
Let it
Get
touch.
away! Get away! No! Give it away! No! No iPad! No iPads! No iPads! No! 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 No iPads! No iPads! Oh, no, I can't touch my work anymore. No. What's this movable shield going on here? More iPads. Where are you getting all this stuff from? We don't have this. We
Yes,
don't
we do.
stock this. Why is this here?
Yes, we do.
No.
iPad Air.
No.
iPad Mini.
No.
iPad
No.
Air. Take it.
No.
Take it.
Should I give him iPod?
No.
Do not rip the Wi-Fi cable.
No.
Do not crack the screen while moving it.
No, 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 no. This is a nightmare. This is a literal nightmare right here. No, no, no. It's lunchtime. I want my lunch. No,
You can't have your lunch.
this is terrible. This is awful. You're breaking it. Yeah. Yeah.
In your status.
No, 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 no. Why isn't there no door here? Yes. Ah!
Hi, get me to his queue.
In your queue! No! You're gonna block up everything.
iPad.
I can't touch.
iPad. Where's the other iPad?
Right there.
Where's the other iPad?
No, you leave my doggy alone. That poor little dog.
Doggy gets put back.
No. 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 No.
Take it.
No.
Take it.
No.
You're gonna take it
No.
when I tell you to take
No.
it.
No. 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 There we go. Oh my god.
Oh god,
Yeah.
I'm too old for that. I'm not a gymnast.
Used to be. No. Really hardly.
Oh, damn it.
That was a good working iPad.
Is this still work?
No, it never worked to begin with.
Smash
Oh
it.
god, I'm touching an iPad!
Give me a brush. Brush. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna take little bits of shattered iPad glass dust and get it on Paul.
No!
I'm sprinkling it on you.
God, no.
I'm sprinkling it on
Every
you.
part of my person! Oh my god!
I'm sprinkling it on you.
It can't be good for anything. Oh god, it's everywhere. There's an iPad everywhere.
Oh,
Oh god!
oh, God. Oh, God.
Essence of iPad.
The new fragrance.
Bottom the hole.
Gone!
Okay, that was an epic catch.
Yeah.
I have iPad on.
Ew. Ew! Ah.
You have booties.
Ooh, hand sanitizer. iPad. No iPad.
iPad.
No iPad.
iPad.
No iPad.
If you go to sendyourmacbook.com, there's going to be a form where you could send your iPad for any sort of issue and Paul will fix it. Do you have an iPad 1 that needs the battery or the board repaired at an economical rate? On commission only! Good! Okay.
Save by hand sanitizer. This is what happens to your iPad at Rossman Repair Group.
If you send us an iPad 1 for something that's not data recovery,
Ooh, it can open now. It's opening nice and easy now.
that's an easier to open iPad, except there's all these annoying clips in the side that hold the screen and digitize around.
And what do they all break when you pull them out?
Don't remind me. Zoom. I was looking for that.
Is that it for today?
As always, I hope you learned something.
Send your
This is how to train your employees on how to fix iPads if they are used to dealing with larger devices and there's a little bit of resistance when it comes to working on these products where you have to get the glass off without breaking it in order to get to the inside. It's not always easy to transition from more traditional IT to more modern devices if you're in human resources or IT and you're trying to train your staff, but hopefully this video gives you a bit of an idea of where to start. Paul, are you going to work on this iPad now?
Yeah.
See?
Fitter.
The training is completed.
Yeah,
Fitter, happier, more
It
productive.
doesn't matter if I break it now. I'm